To replace or remove the exterior mirrors, you will first need to remove the door panel on the side you are replacing. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. There are 3 areas that you're going to be working on: the door control unit, red arrow, the wiring harness and grommet, blue arrow, and the mounting screws, green arrow. You do not need to remove the door subframe to do this job. Be aware, if you drop one of the screws and it falls between the door frame and mount, you will be taking it off to retrieve the hardware. Begin by separating the wiring harness from the control unit. Use a pick and lift up on the red safety tab and then press in on the release clip, blue arrow, and separate the connection. You're going to be pushing the wiring harness and grommet through the door subframe, red arrow. If you are not removing the subframe, make sure to attach a tracer, a zip tie, or something strong enough and long enough that you can feed the wiring out through the door. Attach this to the end of the wiring harness, red arrow. Remove the tape covering the 3 T30 mounting screw access holes, red arrows. Use a long and magnetic T30 torque and remove the 3 screws, red arrows. Be aware that once you remove the last screw, the mirror will be free and fall if you do not support it. The screws are very long, red arrow. Use a magnetic torque and try not to drop them into the door. If they do fall, you may be able to remove the lower speaker to retrieve them, but if they go between the mount and the door skin, you will be removing the subframe to get them back. With the screws removed, the mirror is free. Feed the wiring harness and grommet out through the opening, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. If you have any issues, you can always remove the subframe, and that will give you easy access to everything. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.